Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to edit text in Adobe Express, whether it's changing the words, font or style. So let's get right into it. First of all, make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. After connecting your device to the Wi-Fi, simply open your Adobe Express application. Log in your application with Google or Apple or Facebook account. After logging in, simply click on the Create New option and upload the media which you want to add the text or enhance your text. Suppose I want to add text on this image. Simply go on text and add your text and resize it. After resizing it, you can change the font by clicking here. After you selected your fonts, you can choose the color here. After choosing color, you will see the size option. You can keep the size whichever you want and choose the style, and also you can use the effects, animation and spacing, and that's it how you can edit in Adobe Express. If this helped out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick creative tutorials, and see you in the next one.